This Berkshire Hathaway Home Services RW Towne Realty property video is presented by Sylvia Woods.
Welcome to Michael's Woods. You will fall in love as soon as you walk into this gorgeous 4-bedroom updated home.
New paint, new carpet, new windows throughout, luxury vinyl planking, tile backsplash and granite countertops and large eat-in kitchen, gas fireplace and big family room opening into dining room.
Tremendous primary bedroom with bay window and tray ceiling, walk-in closet. All bedrooms have ceiling fans and the 4th bedroom would make a great game room.
And don't forget the 2-car detached garage.
This is the dream home you have been waiting for. November 8, 2024. For more information, review the details below.